In the heart of the enchanted Komodo Island lived a Komodo dragon named Komba, known for his size. He was the largest of all, a sight to behold. A natural king, with a glistening golden hide. Komba was not just big, but also very greedy, gorging himself on prey, without any share. His fellow creatures looked up to him with fear. As he ate and grew stronger, their numbers declined. One day, a small brown bird came to Komba's lair. With a voice so soft, it seemed to whisper a prayer. "Komba, your greed has taken more than it should. Your fellow creatures are dwindling, and the island's beauty fades." "What do you know, little bird?" scoffed Komba, with a sneer. "I am the king of this land, they are here for my feast. But the land needs balance, and the creatures need peace. If you continue as you are, there will be none left to greet." The bird replied, "Consider the river, the trees, and the sky. They all share their bounty, and in doing so, they thrive. If you take only for yourself, and never give, you'll die." Komba pondered the bird's words, and a change began to rise. He started to share his prey, and the creatures of the island breathed a sigh of relief as they felt their numbers increase. And the land once more bloomed, the beauty they had missed. The moral of our tale is clear, for all to understand. Greed can take away, but sharing brings back the land. Be not like the dragon, who let his greed expand, but learn from the bird, and share what you have.